If you're looking for the most adorable last-minute Easter project, you have found it. This crochet egg cover works up in less than 30 minutes. It's totally beginner friendly, and honestly, you'll want to make an entire basket full of them. So the first thing you'll need is a 4mm crochet hook and only about 10 yards of scrap yarn that you have. I'm using a cotton yarn here, and I think that works really well for these egg covers. You'll start off with a magic ring and 8 half double crochets. Now this technique is a little bit fiddly if you've never done the magic ring before. I do have a full beginner tutorial on my YouTube channel. I'll have that linked in the description below. Definitely check it out if you're struggling with this technique bit. Close the ring, and then we are joining. So find your first half double crochet, slip stitch there to join the round. You'll make a chain 1 and then half double crochet in the same stitch. So we're not counting that chain 1 as a stitch, and we will increase this round. So make 2 half double crochets in the next stitch and 2 half double crochets in each remaining stitch. So this time your stitch count will be 16 at the end of this round. Now I'm making a half double crochet here with my first one, join with a slip stitch to the first half double crochet, and that finishes round 2. So for round 3, you'll chain 1, and we're working with back post half double crochets here. So swing the yarn or the hook around, grab that post, and work your half double crochet as normal. And we're doing that for every stitch of this round. So back post half double crochet for every stitch. Your stitch count will stay the same. We're not increasing or decreasing, so you will have 16 stitches at the end of round 3. Then find your first half double crochet, slip stitch there to join the round. And now see how that created a nice little base for the bottom of this cover, so it'll sit up nice and good on your table. Then we'll chain 1 and a half double crochet in the same space, so we aren't counting this chain 1 as a stitch once again and throughout this pattern. And then we're increasing, so make 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. And then 1 half double crochet in the next. So that's our increasing pattern for this round. We're alternating 2 half double crochets with 1 half double crochet. And at the end of this round, your stitch count should be 24. Now, at the end of the round, find your first half double crochet, slip stitch there to finish off the round. And now we have a simple repeat here. Chain 1, half double crochet in the first stitch, and then we're making 1 half double crochet in every stitch, so no increasing or anything. We're doing this for rounds 5 and 6. Here's what that looks like when you're finished. So we'll chain 1, and this time we're going to single crochet in the first stitch, skip 1 stitch, and then make 5 half double crochets in the next. We're working on that cute little shell border stitch pattern here. Then skip 1 stitch, this one's kind of hidden under the shell, and single crochet in the next. So that's our repeat for this round. We're going to skip 1 stitch and half double crochet 5 times to make that shell. Now at the end of the round, you'll join with a slip stitch to your first single crochet, and you can fasten off and weave in your ends. And that's your crochet egg cover. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. The free pattern is up on my website. I'll link it below so you can grab that anytime. And if you'd like a clean, printable PDF version of this pattern to keep in your project bag or to save to your device, you can find that in my shop. I'll also link that below. I have one more Easter pattern coming your way very soon, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. In the meantime, if you're in a crochet Easter kind of mood, go check out my Easter egg tutorial. It's a really fun and addictive make as well. Happy hooking, and I'll see you in the next one.